Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for everyone, and that's how to plan for retirement. Whether you're just starting your career or nearing retirement age, it's never too early or too late to start planning. So let's get started. First things first, you need to know where you stand financially. This means taking a close look at your income, expenses, savings, and any debts you might have. Budgeting can make this super easy by allowing you to track all your financial details in one place. By inputting and tracking your finances, you'll get a clear picture of your financial health. Next, it's time to set your retirement goals. Think about the lifestyle you want to have when you retire. Do you want to travel the world, buy a new home, or simply enjoy a peaceful life without financial stress? Budgeting helps you set realistic goals by providing insights into how much you'll need to save based on your desired lifestyle. Now that you know your current financial situation and have set your goals, it's time to create a budget. A budget is your roadmap to achieving your retirement dreams. You can easily create a budget that aligns with your goals. It helps you categorize your expenses, track your spending, and even suggest areas where you can save more. Planning for retirement isn't a one-time task. It's important to regularly monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. Life can be unpredictable, and your financial situation might change. But planning for retirement doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right tools and a clear plan, you can achieve your retirement goals. So try these simple steps to financially secure your future. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on managing your finances. Thanks for watching.